Hello, my name is Mr. Patton. I teach 5th grade math and science at North Heights Elementary in Rome, Georgia. Today I'm going to teach you about how we can round decimals to the nearest 10th place value. With our lesson today, we will be using the Georgia Standards. 5 NBT4 use place value understanding to round any decimals to any place. The learning objectives for today's lesson are: identify all place values, identify numbers 4 or less, and identify numbers 5 or more. Rounding decimals. Let's take a look at a few numbers. The first number is 16.56, the second number is 34.55, the third number is 67.22. All three of these numbers go up to the place value of the hundredths place. What place value are we rounding to? As you see, there's a place value chart and there's a decimal in the middle. If you look to the left, it shows the ones through the thousandths place, and to the right of the decimal is the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths place. Our steps for rounding are simple. First, locate the number we're rounding to. Second, look one place to the right. Third, if it's 4 or less, let it rest. And fourth, if it's 5 or more, raise the score. In step 3, when it says to let it rest, that means to leave the number the same. However, in step 4, raise the score, that means to raise the number by 1. After we know what place value we are rounding to, we can get to work. Here are some examples of different numbers with place values involved with them. Let's look at the number 11.35. If we are rounding to the tenths place, we will look there first. That is the number 3 in this number. In the picture you will see the first arrow is pointing to the 7, which is the place value that we were rounding to the tenths place. And in the other number, the arrow going to it, the 1, that this is the digit that tells us whether to round up or to round down. Our number is 11.35. The 3 is in the tenths place value. Now we look to the right of it one place. The 5 is the next place to the right. When a number is 5 or higher, then it tells the place value to the left to add 1 and the 5 becomes a 0. Our new number will become 11.40, as you can see on the screen. Here's a quick recap. Here are our steps. Locate the number we're rounding to. Look one place to the right. If it is 4 or less, let it rest. If it is 5 or more, we raise the score. Don't forget those easy steps. They will help you out with rounding in your future. Practice makes perfect. Keep on practicing, and you will be very successful.
Created using Powtoon.